Hi everyone, today we will see the process of photosynthesis. So, where it occur? Photosynthesis process occur only in plants and in presence of sunlight. It does not occur in night or in the absence of sun. So, what is happened in the photosynthesis process we will see today. So, what we needed for photosynthesis process? First we need light energy, means sunlight. Second we need carbon dioxide and water. So student, from where do we get all these three things? We get water from the root of plants. Stem carry this water to the leaf. And carbon dioxide, where it is present? It is present in air. So from air leaf absorb carbon dioxide. And sunlight, you know, obviously main source of light is sun. From that we will get sunlight. So what happened during this process? The green pigment called chlorophyll is present in the leaf, and this green pigment, what it does, it captures this light energy with the help of carbon dioxide and water. It converts this light energy into the glucose. Understood? Again one time I am telling you that the chlorophyll of this leaf absorb this light energy, and with the help of this carbon dioxide and water it convert into the glucose. And during this process the byproduct oxygen is liberated. So during photosynthesis process, plant absorb carbon dioxide from the air and liberate oxygen. So this is very useful process for us and for plant also, because we get oxygen and plant get food. So with definition we can say like this, yes no? So here arrow I have shown you. See, light is coming inside. Carbon dioxide is also coming from air. And oxygen it is liberating. Water is also. So three things are taking. Water from the root. Water from the root is going to leaf. Then carbon dioxide from the air, and sunlight, light energy from the sun. These three things are taking, and what is we get during photosynthesis? Plant get their food in the form of sugar, means glucose, and oxygen is liberated during this process. Byproduct is oxygen. So student, understood the process of photosynthesis? It take place in the presence of sunlight, and it uses this leaf, chlorophyll of leaf uses carbon dioxide and water and convert this light energy into the food called sugar, and during this process oxygen is liberated. That process is called photosynthesis. Now see, I have written here definition of photosynthesis process. During photosynthesis, plant take in carbon dioxide, means CO2, and water from the air and soil. Within the plant cell, the water oxidizes, meaning it loses electron, while the CO2 is reduced, meaning it gain electron. This transform the water into oxygen and the carbon dioxide into glucose. Understood? During photosynthesis, plant take in oxygen, carbon dioxide and water from the air and soil. Now only I told, during photosynthesis plant take in carbon dioxide and water from air and soil. Within the plant cell, the water oxidizes, means what happened? Meaning it loses electron, while CO2 is reduced the water into oxygen. and the carbon dioxide into glucose. In short, we can write the reaction like this: carbon dioxide plus water, we get glucose and oxygen. Which energy it convert into the glucose? ATP energy. The chlorophyll of the leaf store the energy ATP, and this ATP energy is converted into the glucose. Long form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. This energy is converted into glucose during the photosynthesis process. Keep watching my video. Thank you.